Hi. I know that I already made a video on this. I know that I got 4,000 views, but I'm really dissatisfied with it. A lot of things in that video I didn't really go into in depth, and I didn't clarify, and that may have left a lot of you confused. So I want to put out an updated version that goes a little bit more in depth. It's just step by step, and yeah, so let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so of course you need an Xbox One and a iOS phone. So first what you need to do is click the Xbox button right there to go to the home. And basically scroll over to the satellite at the top left. Next you need to click Start Broadcasting. Dun, dun, dun. And this little sub-menu will pop up. This is for you to stream your game to Mixer, okay? So if you're doing a normal Let's Play with commentary, leave your microphone on. You can use a Kinect and webcam for this, but you need permission for some reason, which is kind of dumb. A USB webcam will work as well as your Kinect, but who owns a Kinect now? Broadcast options, you can record your party audio as well, but I believe they need to check an option for that to happen. So click party audio on, and what's on the top left will not appear in your broadcast. That will just show your stats and stuff, what's going on. So you can go ahead and choose that. Leave chat off as well, because you're not actually doing this to live stream. Once you have your settings ready, you can click Start Broadcast, and it will know that you're broadcasting. You'll know that you're broadcasting if wherever you put that broadcast overlay, it will have a red dot, and it'll have your time that you're recording right now, and yeah. So you just saw that little notification. Pasty the dog started broadcasting. Your audio is included. The people in your party will need to check an option to include their audio. I'm just going to play a match in Master Chief Collection really quickly, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Once you're done streaming, go back to Capture and Share and then go to Broadcast, and you need to press Stop Broadcast, so you'll stop streaming. So, after you're done broadcasting on your Xbox, you need to go to the App Store, okay? And then search up Mixer. It should be the first result, and go ahead and download it. It's free. Once you downloaded it, just go in, allow anything it tells you to, and you're going to sign in. And press continue. Log in with the same Xbox account that you use with your profile. And if you've already had Mixer and you're signing in again for some reason, just click continue and then click Let's Play. You'll know that that's your same Xbox account if it has the same profile picture and user or gamer tag, not username. I'm just gonna click not now. Oh my god. Okay. Nope. Goodbye. Skip. Okay. So now you're done logging in. Go to your profile. And before we go further, I have no idea how to do this, but apparently you need to toggle an option on your Mixer account that says enable VODs or past streams or whatever. I don't know how to do that, okay? It's just been like this all the time. So Google it. I will, if I'm editing right now and if I found a way to do it on mobile, I will just record that segment and do that. But once you've enabled that option, or if you had that option just enabled right away. Go to past streams and go to the most recent stream that you just streamed. I didn't do any microphone audio, so I'm just going to turn the volume down. But I recommend, if you're going to do this method, that you have a wired connection on your Xbox with just an Ethernet cable straight to your router, or you just have a really good internet connection. But if that is not the case, then the stream will glitch out and just be really weird. So I don't know if that actually happened in the stream, but yeah. Okay, so editing this right now, I thought I had my microphone on mute, but apparently it wasn't, so you could hear my siblings in the background, so I'm sorry, because apparently your Connect can be a mic, so it records exactly what you have, and once you're at to the point where when you want to start recording, exit out of Mixer real quick, go to Settings, and then Control Center, okay? I don't know if iOS has screen recording already built into the Control Center, but we'll just pretend that you don't have it. More controls down here. There should be one that says screen recording, and all you need to do is press the plus sign by the screen recording option, and it will be in your control panel. And go back to Mixer, and you just need to scroll up from the bottom of your phone. Oh god. Scroll up from the bottom of your phone, and then this will pop up. You'll have what it looks like the Target logo, in my opinion, but just hold that, okay? Now, I'm already screen recording right now because I'm trying to record this tutorial. But if you have any other apps, click on the Photos option. I'm already on that because I'm screen recording right now. And click Start Recording. There should be a countdown for that. And then, oh, by the way, microphone should be off because you've already recorded the microphone on the stream. So that should be off. And I personally like this method because this allows you to also go over your footage and kind of work out what needs to be edited and stuff like that.
One match!
And you don't need a capture card or a PC because for some reason everyone has phones now. I'm just going to record a little bit. Once you're done screen recording, pause it, scroll up, and you just need to tap the screen recording button. I'm not going to do that because I'm recording this tutorial. But another cool thing about this method is that it also allows you, if you have any editing software on your phone, like KineMaster or iMovie, you'll be able to edit the footage as well. I edit my gaming videos with iMovie. Now, if you're using iMovie, I got it for free. I don't know how. So select the footage that you screen recorded. I'm going to do this. If your footage is stuck in horizontal view, you can just click the video on the timeline, and on the actual video preview, your right thumb has to swipe down, has to swipe up at the same time. So once you do that, it will change the orientation. I'm just gonna trim these real quick. So now you can edit, you can add, text and stuff, and yeah, and you can edit the videos, you can give it a title, and click on the share button. Boom, you have a direct freaking line to upload to YouTube right there. I'm just going to do that real quick. If you have longer 10 to 20 minute videos, this will take longer, obviously. Here's another tip. If you're doing a lot of Let's Plays on your phone like this, you need to upload them to YouTube immediately, unless if you have like a crap ton of storage. Just put them on private, and when it's time for you to upload them, just put them on public, and then boom. So it just finished up. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope this was better than the last one. But yeah. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video, whatever the frick I wanted to do.